Ladies and gentlemen, this is first time in 9 years in
New Orleans, Louisiana, United States, January 22, 2025. A massive winter storm brought blizzards to Louisiana on Tuesday, turning New Orleans into a snowy city. The record-breaking blizzard blanketed palm trees with fresh snow and brought the normally bustling Big Easy to a standstill.
That is what we had. An unbelievable day I've never seen in my 54 years.
I'm watching a snowstorm. Paji, 10 साल हो गया अपन में थे.
Look at that. I ain't never saw this in my life. This is a blizzard.
That looks like about 8 inches of snow.
Good morning. Welcome to New Orleans. Yes, New Orleans, Louisiana.
नींद ਵਿੱਚ अब पहली दफा ਆਪਾਂ देख रहे हैं snowstorm. देखो, देखो क्या.
A massive and deadly winter storm swept through the south on Tuesday, dumping heavy snow on a region that rarely sees snowfall or extreme cold. The storm prompted the National Weather Service to issue its first blizzard warning for southwest Louisiana and southeast Texas. New Orleans broke its record for snowfall totals in a single day at noon when Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport recorded 4 inches of snow. The new record beat the 2.7 inches recorded on December 31, 1963, and snow was still falling Tuesday afternoon.
बहुत ज़बरदस्त लगा.
Blizzard in New Orleans. A blizzard. Look at that. Woo! Man.
Hi.
पाजी देखो, सारी तरफ करा दे उत्ते भी बर्फ आ गई है. घर दे ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ.
Sonic Wood, Colin Joey. That's why I'm here. Heavy pressure.
Oh. Whew. That was a bad one.
By morning, a layer of powder-coated Canal Street in the central business district, turning New Orleans into a snowy landscape. Crews from the Louisiana Department of Transportation were working to cope with the rare snowstorm that hit the Bayou State. The scene along Lake Pontchartrain in New Orleans on Tuesday was surreal. Palm trees swayed in the wind amid snowfall and near blizzard conditions, with wind gusts exceeding 45 miles per hour.
Unbelievable.
Tagal nila.
Portions of Interstate 10 remained closed because of the blizzard. Louisiana Department of Transportation cameras showed snow blanketing major highways near New Orleans.
Okay. I'm sticking the broom handle in.
Trabaho ka doon sa likod, ano? Sabi. Parang yan.
Hey, how cute!
Right here in Metairie.
It's blowing.
By mid-afternoon, up to 9.5 inches and possibly more had fallen in New Orleans, surpassing the second highest total in 1963 and approaching the all-time records of 10 inches for the city and 11 inches for Jefferson Parish in 1895. High winds battered the metro with white clouds, followed by calmer periods of drifting snow, eventually covering roads and rooftops entirely.
Oh, look at the freaking.
Ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ganito dito sa New Orleans eh.
Blowing in the background. Snowfall in New Orleans. Updates. It's getting heavier.
Baton Rouge Mayor-President Sid Edwards said it could take more than 48 hours for some roads to reopen. A lot of people, of course, are not used to driving in these conditions and they get off the road. And we have to send people out to pick them up, Edwards said. A winter storm warning remained in effect for New Orleans through Tuesday night. Between 3 and 7 inches of snow were expected through Wednesday.
And it's windy out here.
Yeah, look how deep.